My name is Connie. I'm 11 years old, and I really like K-pop, Sims, programming, and waffles. When I was 6, I started programming in Python and JavaScript, and then I learned a couple other languages like Swift and Clojure, and now Clojure is my favorite language. So today I'm going to show you 3 things I've made. So first, my website in Clojure, and a game I made in Clojure, and a language I made in Racket as well. So this is my website in Clojure script. You can find it at conniebookie.github.io, and here it shows just one of my projects so far, and it also has 3 places where you can find me, so my YouTube, CodePen, and Twitch. And I also have an announcement at the bottom to do with Clojure. So the code for this, you can find it on GitHub, but it's also here, so you can. And so I have all the divs here for all the parts. So here at the bottom. So, like the announcements here for the code and made by Connie at the end. So yeah, that's my website. And then I have my game I made. So my game has 2 of my favorite things in it, waffles and Harry Potter. So what you do in the game is you have to move around and you collect all the waffles. I made this using PlayCLJ in Clojure and code. Oh, yeah. It's not here. Oh wait, no, here it is. So, oh yeah, also I'm using Vim because Vim's the best text editor. So here are all my functions in my game. So updating the player positions, so moving the player around the screen, and removing the touched waffles. When you touch a waffle, it'll just go somewhere. You'll eat it, and yeah, and spawning the waffles, and yeah. And then I have my language in Racket. So in Racket, I have all my functions here. So like print string, so it prints something, and read, so it gets an input. But my favorite one that I made is waffle, which displays an ASCII waffle. So in my language, I wanted to make it so you could run it from the terminal. So like you do Clojure, hello.clj, you could do waffle, hello.waffle. And I have the code, how I did it here. And what you do when you do it is, so I have my file here with hello. I can change this to hello heart of Clojure. Clojure. And then you can add waffle at the end. And then you can run it here. So you can do Racket hello.waffle. And then it will run it in hello waffle. Thank you for listening to my talk, and I hope you have a good afternoon.